Fi yn Mountain Road Vineyard. Fi byth wedi hoffi gwin, I fod yn onest. Mae'n blasu fel Listerine, ond mae New Zealanders yn nuts amdano fe. Felly, fi'n mynd I drio fe gyda'r experts Terry ac Alice. Now, what's the first lesson in liking wine?
You know, a little bit of sophistication, a little bit of not drinking wine to fall over at the end of the night. We're going to be doing some wine tasting to just see what we taste in the wine.
So, will I get wasted?
Can do.
Fi'n ffain gyda'r gwers cynta. Gwers 2 yw dewis gwyn neu coch. Alice, pa'n fi'n dechrau gyda fe?
Well, I'd actually suggest to start with the white.
Okay.
This one we've got Sauvignon Blanc. It's a nice one to have during the day. Or
Sauvignon Blanc?
Yeah, Sauvignon Blanc.
There's actually fruit in that?
Yes. Yeah.
Yes, made from fruit. Pick it up, swill it round in the glass, into the mouth.
In one?
Just, no, actually, Rhian.
Spit.
Spit? Am I supposed to spit?
Yes.
Yes, spit, not swallow.
Oh, well, I'm used to that, Terry. And when I'm on a date, do I gob it out like I just did now?
No, then you would be able to swallow on a date.
You're naughty! Alice, faint mae botel o hwn yn costio?
In the restaurant, you'd probably be looking at paying about $40 a bottle.
$40? Mae hwnna fel 30 pint. Allai brynu car adre am y pris yna. Oh well, bydd Jamie Roberts yn talu anyway, so mae'n fine. Iechyd da!
Iechyd da!
Iechyd da!